it's snowing stronger. So I'm probably 15 minutes away northwest bound from my portable place, and if you look at the ground, yeah, we're gaining more on elevation and there will be more snow. And there's the poop truck. I don't know what he's doing there, probably pooping. I mean, no, getting rid of it. Sorry. I just try to be funny. Hey, I love this weather. This is my weather, and I hope it's going to stay like that. Did I already mention that? Hopefully till March. That'd be great. So, okay. I'll keep on riding. See you guys later. DK5, ONV, and Bumblebee in the forest.